Makita's 3.0 HP air compressor is equipped with Makita's big-bore engineered pump cylinder and piston for higher output for 2 nailers, with less noise and improved job site performance. MAC5200 delivers industrial power and results with improved durability and includes rugged wheels and folding handles for easy transport. The MAC5200 is engineered for low noise, high output, and less maintenance, and delivers industrial power and results with improved durability under tough job site conditions. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Cast iron pump with big bore cylinder and the piston is engineered to provide faster recovery time for improved performance. Number 2. Powerful 3.0 HP motor produces 6.5 CFM at 90 psi for increased productivity. Number 3. The pump is oil lubricated for cooler running temperatures and reduced wear. Number 4. Durable cast iron cylinder reduces wear and increases pump life, removable for easy maintenance. Number 5. Folding handle with low profile design for easy storage with handle folded. Number 6. Rugged wheels for job site portability. Number 7. Built-in storage compartment conveniently stores air fittings and accessories. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.